We have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with a pool view. So as you can see, there's a fully stocked kitchen. So we have the refrigerator, the electric range with a stove, microwave, coffee maker, and the kitchen comes equipped with all the utensils and dishes that you need. Here we have our little snacks set up at the bar. This is the living room area. There's the breakfast bar and a cute little table like where you can sit and eat or play cards if you brought them. There are flat screen TVs in the living room and both of the bedrooms. Most of the channels are in Spanish, but there is a setting that you can change on the TV that lets you switch. And I guess I'll take you out on the patio if I can get this open. Oh, Jesus. What button? Oh, okay. And so you can open the doors all the way up, leading out to the patio. Sorry, that was a little loud, guys. But as you can see, we have a great view of one of the pools. I think there are like maybe 4 pools here. So this is one of the adult-only pools. And the patio, you're gonna show me? Okay, and the patio extends from the living room into the primary bedroom. So it's one continuous patio. So we'll just give you another quick view of the kitchen and living room area, and I'll take you back to the bedrooms. So there's this hallway, and then there's this sliding door. And like the woodwork is really beautiful in this hotel. Like they have a lot of intricate details, and I thought they did a great job decorating. So this door closes so you can close off the living room area from the bedrooms in case somebody wants to stay up and watch TV or party a little bit. So off of this hallway, you have the guest bathroom. And I thought that the mirror was really pretty in here. And we have a full shower in there. I hate that we let a fly in. And I thought the shower was really nice. And so this was a really good size for a guest bathroom. And as you can see, it comes with the bathrobes. So I thought that was a really nice touch, even though I always bring my own on trips anyway, but I thought that was a nice touch. And they do come and clean every day. And then this is our room here. Sorry guys, it's a little bit dark in here. But again, I thought this room is a pretty good size. There's a queen size bed. We have 2 nightstands. The pendant lights on either side of the bed I thought were really cute. This window, it goes to the outside hallway. And at night, they do have turn down service. So they'll come and fold back the sheets for you and close the blinds and turn on the night lights and things like that. Oh, and I forgot to show, there's a light behind the headboard, which I thought was really cute. So you can see like the woodwork behind the bed. Oh, it's not that dark on camera. Oh, and this isn't even on. Our little ceiling fan. Did you turn that up? Oh, no. Okay, so now we're going to head into the primary suite, which is where my in-laws are sleeping. So in here, again, like beautiful details. So to the right, you have a tub, and there's a little curtain there so you can pull it back for privacy if you want. And then there's a walk-in closet as well with a safe in it, which I thought was a nice touch. And on the side of the bed, there's nightstands, and again, some really pretty pendant lights. And also like another wood carved headboard. And as you can see, this is leading out to the patio out here. And then their bathroom setup is a little bit different than in our room. So they have double doors leading into the primary bathroom. But overall, I think the details in this hotel are really nice. They have a lot of intricate woodwork, and they did a really good job with like the decorative piecing and the lighting in here. Like you can see the wood beams. So I think they did a great job with the details in this hotel. And overall, I feel like it's been a very comfortable space to be in so far for this week. And I've enjoyed our time here.
Flex. What you about to say? I told you I wasn't gonna say anything.
Well, you're talking right now. Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're still in Cabo, and we're just hanging out by the pool today. This is one of, I think, maybe 4 pools that they have here at the resort. This one is adults only, and it's pretty laid back and chill. And also, I picked this one because besides the spot where we're standing, there are like
Shady spots
in the pool, so like we don't burn up out here. Like we got on our black girl sunscreen. But still it doesn't hurt to stay in the shade with the temperature so hot. I think it's like in the 90s out here.
Yeah, and so some of this water, don't confuse it. I mean, it's sweat.
It's sweat and water.
Yeah, it's sweat and water. I was just trying to think of a phrase to say it ain't water, it's sweat. Because we hot.